Hi guys, how you doing? It's almost Christmas here, and I just want to wish you a happy holiday and have a nice time, and to obviously demonstrate you what I done with the Chad Valley boutique. If you recall, this was a boutique from Designafriend, and completely redecorated inside, and as you can see it looks quite good for the music room for Christmas, so the girls all set and ready to go. And I made a nice little piano for them so they can enjoy the Christmas carol. Obviously I can't fit all my dolls in this tiny room, but I chose this for girls, this little Misa from Dolly's, because of her cheerful face. And I just picked the other random 3 dolls because they were easier to dress. Yeah guys, I hope you have a lovely time. It was really brief video, and I hope you enjoy and get lots of dolly related presents. And I'll see you next year. Hopefully I'll be more active. Currently life is in the way, but that's, I think, normal for everybody. Thanks again, and happy Christmas.